Okay, first there are 4 wires. You can find this connector with 4 wires. So remove it so then you can change. There are screws. Okay, and next there are 2 big wires. Connect SR red. One is red and one is black. So you can find this one and this one. So you need to cut this part. Okay, and then remove this screw. Okay, just remove this screw and then you can pull it out and change. And this way, these 2. Okay, and next there are another black wire. You just cut it and slot it.
Where is black from?
From this SR. Just cut it and slot. And this yellow wire. Also cut it and slot it. Okay, and these are all the wires. And finally there are 2 water tubes. How you can change it? Just press this button. Yes. Press this blue button. Okay, and then you can pull it out.
Press the blue ring and
yes. Okay, and
make sure there is no water leak.
Yes, and you can see, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. Remove them, and you can remove this whole part and change it. Okay.